Friends, how are you doing? My name is Prasanna Gadkari and I help get people into IITs and NID for the design program. All my guidance is completely free of cost, so feel free to write to me or to comment in the section below. Today I am going to handle a very important topic, that should I quit my job in order to prepare for the NID or for the SEED examination. Now, many people actually get campus placements through their whatever respective colleges, and they choose to join the job, and then they realize that their real passion lies in master in design. You can do this masters either abroad or from IITs and NIDs. I am one of the candidate who also suffered through the same dilemma. I completed my mechanical engineering and then decided that I needed to do master in design. And thereby this question was asked by me as well. However, that time there was no one to guide, and so I felt that I should make this content to help people who are struggling with this question as well. So let me tell about the pros of quitting your job and preparing for the IIT and NID entrance exam. The first biggest pro is that you will get lots and lots of time. Another big thing about quitting your job is that you will not have any other liability but to focus on the studies. For the people particularly who are struggling with focusing and whose jobs are really lengthy or who waste a lot of time in traveling, this is a perfect point. Then the third biggest pro is that once you quit your job, you will actually have nothing but to do this particular preparation, and thereby you can practice really hard. For the people who are not from design background or not even from engineering background, this particularly is a crucial thing. Now let me tell you a few of the negative points why you shouldn't quit your job. The first and the foremost important thing is that you will miss out on the opportunity to learn. While you are in job, you will be learning a lot of stuff. The intangible stuff such as project management and how to deal with people will become in handy when you join a design program. Another important point is the placements. Post your master's program, a lot of companies will visit the campus for the placement. In that, if you have a job or if you were in a job previous to joining the program, they will consider it. Perhaps they might even consider you for a higher position than others folks who didn't have any experience. Therefore, for this reason, you should stick to your job if possible. And the third important thing is that probably during your course you will be in touch with few of the people who are from design background and they will help you in preparation. Now let me go to the next section of this video which discusses it further. Now if you decide to continue with your job and to prepare side by side, all you will have to do is to prepare for about 1 hour a day. And in this channel, I have told you how to do that as well. Another point which you need to remember is to learn in your current company. So if you continue doing your job as well as prepare side by side, make sure that whatever weekends you get off, such as Saturdays and Sunday, you try to put in extra time, maybe 4 hours, maybe 6 hours, but make sure you give that extra edge and do a continuous preparation in that time. This will be very useful when you appear for SEED or for NIT entrance exam, because that will improve your stamina to write or to sketch for long hours. Now, another thing which you should remember is that you will have a constant source of income if you're sticking in the current job. This will help you with your financial liabilities as well. Suppose you have any financial liabilities, you must continue doing your job and prepare side by side. Furthermore, SEED or NID entrance exam are not easy. And God forbid if untowardly happens, then you still have a job to fall back on. So you are not unemployed. On the other hand, if you quit your job, you won't have anything to fall back on. And this is a very big factor you should be considering in order to take the decision whether to quit the job or to stay in it. Now, I will tell you my experience as well. So, before joining Master in Design program at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, I used to work in a company called Force Motor, which is called Bajaj Tempo. And this really helped me a lot in three things. The first thing which I did during my job was that I sketched a lot. Force Motor is a mechanical design company that designs vehicles such as tracks or Force One or tempo traveler. So while it being a mechanical company, I used to sit in the workshop and try to understand how different things work, and I used to make sketches for them. This helped me improve my sketching. Second, I used to try my best to speak up in the meetings whenever they were held. This helped me to crack the interviews when they were held at IISc Bangalore. I tried my best to speak as clearly as possible and to present my point in a very neutral and objective way. This was one of the biggest learning. And the third thing that really helped me during my job was that I was put in touch with few of the folks from IIT Delhi who were in the design department that time and who actually kind of guided me to develop my passion and to build a portfolio towards industrial design. And these three factors really helped me. However, I quit the job about 40 days just before the exam. And there is another video which actually speaks about this. But all in all, I am of the opinion that if possible, stick to your job and prepare side by side. This will help you in the long run. I hope this video helps you to make your mind about whether to stick in the current job or whether to quit it. And I hope you take the right decision. Ultimately, it's up to you. So after weighing pros and cons, I still feel that you should stick to the job. I hope that you won't hesitate in writing in the comments below what you feel about it. And feel free to write me an email as well. I try to reply all my mails and all my guidance is completely free of cost. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.